Okay, today our learning intention to learn how to calculate discounts and markup. So, first, if, let's say, some item cost $50. So first we look into the discount. Cost $50. And it is going on sale with a discount 12%. What will be the sale price after the discount of 12%? How we find it? We need to decrease it by 12%. Yes? Yes, we find how many percent that will be now. 100 minus 12 equal 88%. And then we multiply, we turn it into the decimal, yes, 0.88, yes. And next step, yes. And we multiply original price by 0.88. Why we multiplying by 0.88? Because that's what's left, 88%. That's how many percent left after the discount of 12%. So to find sale price, we do 50 times 0.88 will be equal $44. So on the sale, this item will cost $44. Makes sense how to calculate discount if you know original price and you know the discount. Now, if we, let's do inverse, the opposite. So if you know that on the sale, some item cost $35. And during the sale, it was discounted by 30%. What was the original price before the sale? What was the original price before the sale? If we had, this is after the discount of 30%. So how many percent this is? 70%. Yes, so what we need to do?
So you need to times it by 130%.
You
times by 1.3. Oh.
Divide
By?
0.3. 0.7.
By 0.7. Divide by 0.7. Why is that? Because this is 100 minus 30 is 70% or 0.7 as a decimal. As 35 is 70%, how it was obtained from original price? Original price was multiplied by 0.7. How we walk backwards? Divide. So we need divide 35, divide by 0.7, and that will be equal $50. That's how we calculate backwards from the discounted price. Yes. Because if after discount of 30%, it was 100%, discounted by 30, how many percent left? 7. Now, yes?
How is 35 divided by 0.750? Like, how does it get bigger if it's a...
Because we divide by numbers smaller than 1.
Oh, it's either smaller or bigger, okay.
When you divide by numbers smaller than 1,
Oh, yeah,
it will
sorry.
be bigger.
Got
Now, one more thing, find percentage discount. So, if we know that some item was before the sale, it was, let's say, $90. During the sale, it sold by $72. On sale, $72. Question is, what is the discount? What is the percentage discount? How we do that? First, we need to find discount in dollars. How many dollars? Yes.
18, and then you divide it by 90.
So we find that it went down by $18. So discount is, if it was 90, now it's $72. So discount $18, and then yes, you're right.
Divide it by 90. and
We
then-
divide 18 by 90, which will be 0.2, and turn it into the percentage. So
Is that
discount
percentage
was
change?
20%, yes. It's discounted by 20%. If it went from 90 to $70, it was discounted by 20%. Make sense? Now, markups. When marks up happen, the price increases. For example, if you run a business, you buy something, and when you're selling something, you want to make a profit. So of course you will not sell cheaper than you buy. You need to mark up the purchase price. So let's say you purchase something for $24, and you want to add you want to add 25%. What will be the sale price? You purchase something for $25, and you want to sell it with markup of 25%. How we find the new price, the selling price? This is 100%. You add, in this case, we add in 25%, so it becomes 125%, which is as a decimal 1.5. So you multiply 24, multiply by 1.25 equals $30. So with the 25% markup, you will be selling for $30. Make sense how we found the sale price?
Yeah.
Now, working backwards. If you know that something was purchased for $70 and then its sale price $105, how we will find the percentage increase? How many percentage were added? Yes.
105 minus 70.
We find dollar increase, 105 minus 70 equals $35. And then what we need to do? Yes? To find the, yes?
Divided by 70.
Divide by 70. Why by 70? We always divide by original. Yes. So 35 divided by 70 equals 0.5 or 50%. So if you purchase something for $70 and you're selling it for $105, you marked it up by 50%. Make sense? Another example, if you know that you're selling something after that 30% markup, so your price was increased by 30%, and you're selling something for $260. This is the sale price. What was the purchase price? This is, you added, this is after you added 30%. Yes, it is.
Minus 3 plus
It's
3
marked up.
plus 3.
So we have, how many percent this is from the purchase price?
130.
130%. Because you have added to purchase price, you added 30%, and after you added 30%, you get $260. So 130%, which is 1.3,
So why would it be on the sale? Times 260.
it's not on the sale. You purchase something for X dollars, and then you selling it for $260 after adding 30%. So how we'll find the original price? We divide 260 by 1.3, which will be $200. So your purchase price was $200. Make sense? Now, in general, how calculations of the profit or loss? Calculations of the profit or loss. Let's consider the next situation. You purchased, let's say, two types of, I don't know, what we'll take.
Soil. Soil.
Sorry. Let's say you purchased two pair of shoes. One pair of shoes you purchased for $60. Another pair of shoes you purchased for $80. And you sold the first one. You sold the first one. So this is the purchase. And you sold them. This one you sold for $85. This one nobody wanted to buy it, and then you had to sell it cheaper. So this one you sell for $70. Question is, have you made profit or loss? Profit if you get more money than you spend, loss if you get less money. So your total purchase will be how much you spend to buy it? $140. How much money you got?
155.
155. So you got some profit.
15.
And what percentage? What is the percentage profit? How will we find it?
$15.
We find dollar profit. We need 155. To find in profit,
8%.
you always do sales minus your purchase 100. Sorry, not 150, 155 minus 140. So you made $15. How will find what's your percentage profit? Yes.
You do 15 divided by 140.
You divide 15 by 100 and percentage profit. 15 divided by 140. Why we dividing by 140?
This is the original.
Because that is the original price for how much you purchase. And what will be 15 divided by 140? 0.17, yeah?
Yeah, but we sold 107 what we got.
107. So let's round it to 0.11, which is as a percentage 11%. Make sense? Okay, that's all new for today. Like, subscribe and donate to help fight terrorist countries and organizations like Russia, Iran, Hamas, Hezbollah, support Ukraine and Israel.